Hello students, we have discussed the formula for the practical problems on union and intersection. So we have discussed about the formula like what is the value of n of a minus b, what is the number of elements in a minus b that can be calculated from n of a minus n of a intersection b, that can be done. And one more we have calculated for n of b minus a also, n of b minus n of a intersection b. And also we have discussed what is the number of elements in the union of two sets, n of a union b. If the two sets are disjoint, that means if the intersection is empty, n of a union b is n of a plus n of b, and n of a union b, if it is not empty set, then n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Similarly, we have one more formula for three sets. Suppose there are three sets. So I have solved one problem also, one or two problems. So next problem, I won't write the question in the board, I'll just dictate, you just copy down. In a class of 35 students, 24 in a class of, first problem, 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? How many students like to play both cricket and football? So this is the question. So what we can see from this, which are the values are given, we can see. So when you see the question, we can see the first one is in a class of how many students? 35 students. 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football, and two students like to play at least one of the two games. At least one of the two games. So what is that? At least one of the two games. Two students. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? So that is the question. So what is that 35? In a class of 35. So before writing what is given in the problem, first we have to write what. Now we are taking the value of n of that is 35, 24 as n of a, n of b, n of c. But we don't know what is a, b, c. So first itself we have to mention what is a and what is b. In all the problems you have to mention what is a and what is b. So let a be the set of students who like cricket. Let a be the student, a be the set of students who like cricket. So this we have to take first itself. Then one more is a student who likes football. Let B be the set of students who like football. So this first itself we have to consider when the problem is given. A and B, or you can go for X and Y also, or P and Q also. But usually we take it as A and B. So after that, what is the value is given? In a class of 35 students. So what is that 35? So 35, out of that 35, 24 like cricket and 16 like football. So that 35 is the value of the number of students. They are in both, either they like cricket or they like football or they like both. Therefore, that means what? N of A union B. Is 35. Why it is 35? It is given in a class of 35, some like cricket, some like football. So we can take that out of 35, some like cricket, some like football, and some like both. Therefore, this 35 becomes the union. We know the definition of union. The union means is what? Element belongs to A or B or both. So n of A union B is 35. And next is given, what is that given? N of 24 like to play cricket. That means n of A is 24. And n of B is 16. This is 16. So what we have to calculate, also each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Why we are taking means, why we are taking A union B, there is a one condition it is given. Each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Every student likes to play at least one of the game, means that 35 becomes the union. Okay, that is given. So what we have to calculate, how many students like to play both cricket and football. So how many are belong to both? We have to calculate. That means we have to calculate what is the value of n of A intersection B is what? That is our question. So values are given. Intersection value to calculate means we know the formula, union formula, n of A union B. Union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We have to calculate the value of A intersection B. Therefore, we can write n of A union 35. 24 plus 16 minus n of A intersection B. Therefore, n of A intersection B is n of A intersection B is 24 plus 16 is 40. Is 5. 40 minus 35 is 5. Therefore, 5 students like to play both games. Therefore, 5 students like to play both the games. 5 students like to play both the games. So this is the answer for that question. Next one. What is the next question? I'll read the next question. In a survey of 400 students, how many students? 400 students. Second one. There are 400 students in a school. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. 150 were listed as taking orange juice, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. How many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice? How many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice? So that is the question now. So what is given in the question? In a survey of 400 students, there are 400 students. So we are doing the survey of 400 students. In that we found that 100 were taking apple juice and 150 were taking orange juice and 75 were taking both apple and orange juice. So that we found in a survey. Next, we have to calculate how many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice. How many are taking? They are not taking apple juice or they are not taking orange juice. So that students we have to calculate. Those who are not taking apple and orange juice, that we have to convert. So first itself, what we have to write is now what is that value 400? What is that 100 and 150 and 75? So 100 we can take consider it is taking orange juice and apple juice, and 150 taking orange juice, and 75 both means intersection we can consider. But what is that 400? Whether 400 is a value of union? This is not the value of union, because in the previous problem it is mentioned each student takes likes at least one game, it is mentioned. But here it is not mentioned. There are many students, that students we are making the survey. So that 400 is the value of the number of students in the universal set. So first itself we have to mention, let U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set. So what we have to write is, let U be the universal set. Let A be the set of students let A be the set of students who is set of students taking apple juice. Students taking apple juice, and let B be the set of students taking orange juice. So this is the first we have to consider what is A, what is B, and what is U. Then we have to give, first U is a universal set. What is that value? N of U is 400. And how many are taking apple juice? 100 are taking apple juice, means N of A is 100. N of B is 150, and 75 both means N of A intersection B, both means intersection. That is how many? 75 students are taking both. So this is the given value. So what we have to calculate, the number of students, those who are not taking orange juice and not taking apple juice. So what is that value? Not taking. So taking means what? The students, those who are taking apple juice or orange juice, means that students belongs to either apple juice or orange juice. That means they are belongs to the union. If they are taking either apple juice or orange juice, means they belongs to the union. Now it is what? The students, they are not taking apple juice or not taking orange juice, means they belong to not the union. They are not in the union, but they are in the universal set. They are not in the union, but they are in the universal set, means what is that set? U be the universal set, A be the set. Then what is A complement? A complement is a set of all elements, those who are in universal set but not in A, that is called the complement. So those who are not taking apple juice or orange juice, means they are not in the union, but they are in the complement of union. They are in the complement of union. So what is that? N of, we have to calculate N of A union B complement. A union B complement. They are not in the union, but they are in the complement of union. So to calculate complement of union, first we have to calculate what is the number of elements in the union. You can calculate n of A, n of B and n of intersection. So we can calculate what is n of A union B. N of A union B is n of A, n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B can be 100 plus 150 minus 75. 150 minus 75 is 75. So 175. So 175 students are taking, they are in the union. They are in the union. Now we have to calculate how many are not taking. How many are not taking that? These are the students taking either apple juice or orange juice. Now we have to calculate how many students are not taking apple juice and orange juice. So how we can calculate? These are in the union. We have to calculate their complement, means they are not in the union but they are in the universal set, correct? We have to calculate A union B complement, means that elements not in the union but they are in the universal set. We know the definition of a complement: elements which belongs to universal set but does not belong to the given set A. That is called the complement. So complement elements means the elements in the universal set but not in the union. Therefore, how we can calculate? When we subtract this element from this, so we are getting this value. So n of A union B complement, n of A union B complement means n of U minus n of A union B. N of A1, number of elements in the universal set minus number of elements in the union. So it is 400 minus this will be 225. This will be 225. So what is the answer? Therefore 225 students are neither taking orange juice or nor apple juice. The final answer you have to write. Therefore 225 students are neither taking apple juice nor orange juice. So this is the one more problem. Next problem, same kind of one more problem you can do. This problem is also very important. In a survey of 600 students, in a survey of, write down the next problem, third one. In a survey of 600 students, in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 were found to be taking tea. 150 were found to be taking tea, and 225 taking a coffee. 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. So this is the same kind of problem what we solved earlier in that orange juice, apple juice. Now it is taking coffee and tea. So same kind of problem. So we can write first U be the universal set, and A be the set of students taking a tea, and B be the set of students taking coffee. Let U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set. After that, let A be the set of students taking T. Let B be the set of students taking coffee. So this is the value we have to consider. Whatever the problem, first you have to consider A, B. If it is not known, you can consider that universal set also. Next we write what is the value given. So what is the 600 students in a survey of 600. So that is the value of n of u. N of u will be 600. And n of A, what is that? Taking T, how many are taking T? 150 taking tea and 225 taking coffee. N of A is 150. N of B is 225. N of B is 225. Then taking both coffee and tea is intersection. N of A intersection B is 100. N of A intersection B is 100. What is the answer? We have to find out how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Again, and the value of N of A union B whole complement we have to calculate. So this problem as well as the previous problem is very important for 3 marks. In the exam, either they'll ask this problem or the previous problem. One is apple juice, orange juice problem, or next is tea, coffee problem is very important for 3 marks. Now again we have to calculate N of A, N of B, and N of A union B complement means the elements in the universal set but not in the union. So first we have to calculate what is N of A union B. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So N of A is 150 plus 225 minus 100. So 225 minus 100 is 125. 125 plus 150 is 275. So this is 275 students taking either coffee or tea. But now we have to calculate neither coffee nor tea. So what is N of A union B complement? N of A union B whole complement is equal to the elements which are not in the union but they are in the universal set. N of U minus N of A union B. N of U minus N of A union B. So 600 minus 275. So 600 minus 275 is 600 minus 300, 325. 325. Therefore 325 students likes to take they are not taking tea or coffee. So these are the problems. What you have to do is exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, you have to do the problem 3, 4 and 5. Exercise number 1.6, exercise 1.6, 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 you have to do this. This is the homework problem. So do that. So in that problem, it is not asked to find a union or intersection. It is asked to find what is the value of n of a, n of b. Directly it is asked. So 3, 4 and 5. Thank you.